I just started a new video. Crap. Well, I deleted the other one. But we're playing Murder Mystery. I think. Yeah, we are. You're an assassin. Oh, crap. I think he was my target. I'm gonna turn down the music. Because I don't know. I'll turn it a little bit up, but I don't know. It doesn't matter.
It's done!
Ooh. It's done?
Yeah, I'm gonna join this game.
Yeah, my brother's gonna join the game, guys.
Until I'm gonna start one.
What, Leo?
Until I'm gonna start one.
Yeah, he's gonna start another video. So this is my screen, the brother's screen. And he's gonna be the other brother's screen. But she's the main one. I'm just like the second one. We look the same, but don't get confused. Because we have different usernames. What are you doing at the window? You like to see the window? You like to see nature? You like that? So now you can see nature if you want. Oh no, why? Reese is not playing though. What does praying mean? I pray for God. That's what it means, I think. Dang it. I had the staff of whatever. So you can do whatever you want. Don't have to go to school. Use the staff. You can show them. And then they'll say, okay, it's Saturday. And then the principal say you got detention. And then you get,
You get free lunch.
Yeah, you get free lunch. And all the lunch ladies are like, it's not lunchtime. It's lunchtime. What the heck? Okay, I need, don't join in my game yet.
Okay.
I need to change my mode. Because this mode is not fit for you. Wait, Assassin's still in beta? What? What? I'm gonna put in my face. Well, I'm not gonna put it in my face. But we are gonna do some stuff here. Like not pooping in their face, but you get the point, right? Right, boss, right? I think he does. Why are you pushing this stick? Well, it's not really a stick. But you get the point.
Yeah, I bet they don't.
Okay, so join in my game now. You gotta start recording. Gotta start recording. Gotta start recording. Takes like an hour to record.
Hi guys! For another video, and today we're going to be playing with my brother.
Yeah! I already started my video, so these guys already know that you're joining in.
Yeah, this is my brother's screen, which, we're going to put.
Yep.
And we're going to go to...
So we're going to be publishing 2 videos at a time. So.
If I didn't see my username, please friend me. Please friend my brother when I get over here.
You can see it right here, guys. XXFoxT and then XX underslash or underscore.
Here's him. XXFox XX_XD.
Yep.
That's my brother. Come friend him too. He's a good person.
I don't know if my mic's good because I think I put like audio or something on my mic. I don't know how I did that, but just
okay. We gotta wait for this to join the game.
Join the game.
It takes 3 hours, but it's worth it.
It's worth it. It's totally dabbing worth it.
My brother's screen might stop recording, so you might want to see my screen more of me. Okay, guys?
No, it's not gonna. It's not like that thing. What was it called? Oh yeah, Mixer. Mixer. Yeah, Mixer. We used to do vlogs on that, but we don't do those anymore.
Yeah, we still might do that.
Oh, everybody just respawned.
We're just gonna connect to Roblox. I don't know why. Lassie,
In Roblox, you can get the full screen. Ah, I want that.
talk to the dog, guys.
As you can see, we are using this screen recorder, also known as Screen-O-Matic.
Yep, Screen-O-Matic. Go check it out. Make them popular.
Yep.
They'll definitely sponsor us, probably.
Whoa! I'm climbing a star.
Why did you put me over here?
No, you're in the Roblox page. It's still connecting. Why do you have both of them up, Leo? You have 2 screen recorders up. Oh. Leo, I don't know. I think I'm sheriff. Oh, I'm the sheriff. Okay.
Oh, my brother's sheriff.
Okay.
Go check out his brother's screen. Just don't worry.
Ooh, the elevator.
These videos would be great. Sponsor the whole world, whoever's watching us. Oh, Doug, you're not supposed to have that.
I need to get some sound up in here so I know if someone's dying or not.
Okay.
How can I not move?
Okay.
Jump. Holy moly, dogs.
Okay.
Oh, I saw the murderer! I saw the murderer!
Guys, you know, if you want to see what
She's
he's
doing
about
Oh my god. It was a blonde girl. Spectre.
I'm a blonde girl.
It was one of these blonde girls. Not her. Definitely not her. Oh, it's her! GHI Quill 507. Good game. Let me see which level she is. Oh, one of my friends are playing with me.
Who is?
Gianni.
I see him. Yeah.
Yeah, he's right there. OBJ Gianni.
Go trade.
Oh, trade. He's level 1. He doesn't have anything good. She's level 30. Wow.
Guys, if you're wondering, I'm just gonna pause this. It's taking too long.
It's taking so long, guys. You can't believe what happened there. It is CHIQUI Shuki Black. Whatever her name is. Okay, anyways, we're round ended, so it doesn't really matter. So too bad. Let's go and do this. Shawnee's state. I'm gonna go see what I got some coins. I know that. So yeah, they have a lot of stuff. Mouse, cooperate with me. You can't cooperate with me. You got it too. Do friends playing. Well, I don't see to my friends. I'm innocent. Okay. Oh, I thought she was dead already. Like, how the heck did she die already? Oh no. Who would leave money in their bathroom anyways? Right, guys? Ew, she's naked. She doesn't have any clothes.
Let's see.
I'm just gonna go here. Oh, she's following me. I don't feel comfortable with you around me.
Kinder, I think your game's full.
Dang it. Wait, you... Okay, Leo, get off. You go join in a game, okay?
Okay.
I don't want Gianni playing with us, because... And why is this? Why did they blank out the picture? Like, you can see the picture on the hub, but you can't see the picture here.
Starting Roblox.
Starting Roblox. Description. We gotta go join in Murder Mystery. Go on friends, go on your profile. And then go down and go select friends activity.
Pause your thing.
Wait, how do I pause it again? Do I press this? Hey guys, so we're back and we're having some trouble. So it's like, I can't join in, he's in the game, but it sees that he's on mine.
Oh, come on.
Come on, Roblox.
There's no, wait, is tweet not allowed? Tweet. Not allowed tweet or what?
No, okay, so if you have the business cat, and he's on your shoulder, he's still gonna be there.
So I can't bring any swords to stop people.
Yeah, are you gonna play it?
I played it like 2 billion times.
Oh, I know you did!
Now pause the recording again.
Me too. So, we're back here, and my screen is still loading. I'm gonna wait, like, did on some other games. I waited for like a bajillion years. I don't want to wait like a bajillion years and record like this, because then it's going to waste all the time.